Hello guys, my name is Trader Sarab and I'm from Zero to Hero Trader, and today I just want to share with you my journey for a small account to a big account. So my goal on this account is to grow from $1,500 to over $100,000 in 2020. And the reason why I'm doing this is like a lot of people in our chat room ask, is it possible to grow the small account? I don't have much money. I'm a student, or they just from different part of the country, or whatever might be the case. They want to get into the trading, they want to learn, and they want to be able to practice, but there's like you know, a lot of things holding people back beside the knowledge. So I wanted to show how if you have the knowledge, you can go ahead and grow small account to big account. So this is going to be, series of videos I'm going to be making. My goal is to try to make it every day if possible. I want to do my best, and I want to be showcasing my journey from $1,500 to $100,000 or more. And we'll see how it goes. I mean, hopefully I can do it. There's always a chance that you can lose money, and it's possible to lose money very easily. The market is very volatile. So this is a brand new platform. I haven't been using it before. I just started using it recently. TradeStation. A couple of people in our chat room uses this for trading futures. They like it. So I'm like, you know what? I'll create a new account so this way I can kill two birds at the same at the same time. Because lately Thinkorswim has been like a little bit laggy. I'm sure a lot of you guys who are trader noticing the same thing. So I've been, I started deposit 1,500, then I've been on and off for like the first day I was like winning some, losing some, just getting used to this platform. So I think yesterday and today I got a good hang of it, and today I was able to recover the money that I lost, which was I think like around $100 something, and make back some profit. So today you can see on the top it's around $570 that I made. I believe that's a closed P&L, that's including commission. I think after commission it's around $515 that I made. So altogether my account balance is 1906 right now. So I'll show you, I'm trading right now without any indicators. So a lot of people get, bogged down with like a lot of different indicators, moving averages and everything. Right now I'm not using anything at all. Only thing I'm using is price action. Simple as that. So let me show you what I mean. So just trend line and support and resistance. So let me show you this morning. Today I traded a lot. Today I was just home, so right now everything that's going on with the quarantine, so with this coronavirus, I was like, you know what, let me trade. Let me try to get used to this system. This is today's. Yep. So, alright, did I pass it? Bear with me, I'm just getting used to it. I think might be on to yesterday. Yeah, I think this is today. So you can see when I start trading around like this afternoon, creating the box pattern, which is just like resistance on the top, support on the bottom. Whenever it breaks out, taking a trade. And then I was trading in the evening right now. You can see all these trades I was just doing. And right now I'm trading only one mini contract. Normally it's around like $600, $800 to trade one of them. Lately, due to the volatility, I think the margin requirement is close to, I think like 1,300 something. And I'm only scalping them for anywhere between like $10 to like $20 at a time. And it's just a high probability trades I'm taking, just quick in and out. You can see, all this. All this trade. So anyway, so I just wanted to show you this, and over the next couple of days, or over the next couple of weeks, to months, I'm going to be sharing my journey, and just watch me and see if I can go ahead and grow this $1,500 account into 100,000 or more, or I'm going to fail like majority of the 99% or whatever they say, over the 90% trader who fails. And here's a quick statistic I'm going to show you, not the statistic, but just a compounding calculator, the way I'm planning to trade. So right now my account balance is like 1906. I'm thinking there's usually 250 days. We already like what, month 3, so I'm thinking there's around 200 days able to trade. And my goal is to just grow 1% of the account every day. Obviously today, I grew a lot more, almost like what, 25%, 30%, or whatever it might be. More than 30%. So my goal is to just grow 1% a day, which is not hard to do. A lot of people overcomplicate their trading, and they don't realize the effect of compounding. 1% a day is 1,200% in a year. When you multiply by like what, 250 when you're doing it normal, it's crazy. It's like 1,200%, and yet it's so easy to get that 1%. And most people look at like, oh, that's nothing, like, I want to make more money, but a lot of time you're taking a lot more risk in order to make that 1%. So let's go back to the original example, 200 days. So my goal is to grow by 1%. Some days I might be going, if I'm bored or whatever, or if I see like the right setup, I may take more trades, and I may be going from anywhere between 2% to 5%. But my goal is to, on average, try to grow like 1%. So if I'm able to grow the remainder of the year, which is somewhere estimated around 200 days, 1%, I would be able to take this account, which is 1906, to almost $14,000. If I'm able to grow by 2%, and the numbers is going to be crazy right now that you're going to look, it's going to be $100,000. So more likely I may try to aim for 2%, because at the end of the day, making $19 on $1,900 account is not much. Making $3,800 is also not that much. Try to make $100 or $200, yeah, that's like a lot more, because if you look at historically, most people don't even get, in the stock market, they don't get paid more than what, 6-7%, yet I'm trying to do like 1-2-3% a day. So just for the shits and giggle, we're going to look at 3%, and let's see. So 3%, that's going to be 703,000. That is a crazy amount. So there's another thing. As I grow my account bigger, I'm going to be going for lower and lower percentage, because I want to preserve capital. I don't want to be taking the same amount of risk that I'm taking on a small account when it grows to the big account. Alright guys, so that's it for day 1, and I'll keep you updated on my whole journey of this account.